In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Infestation camo on the knife here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Zombies. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, open up that gunsmith, go into the camo tab and go to the zombies tab specifically, and this is where you're going to see all of the camos that you have to go ahead and grind out and the challenges that you have to grind out in order to go ahead and get infestation on your knife. Infestation does look a little bit weird on the knife, I'm not going to lie. But enough of that, let's go ahead and dive into this. The first 9 camos right here are going to be your just standard elimination camos. You have to get 1,000 eliminations total in order to go ahead and knock this out. This really isn't too bad, especially considering the fact that you can pack a punch your melee weapons. Now, obviously, it does get a little bit more chaotic when you think about it like that, but overall, this isn't too bad. And if at any point you're struggling, just back out and start those early rounds again. I would recommend playing farm for this. In fact, for all these challenges, unless I say otherwise, go ahead and play some sort of survival map. Moving on to special though, the first one is mutilate, and this one is just 300 eliminations while it's pack-a-punch. So get up to pack-a-punch, go ahead and pack-a-punch it once at least minimum, and start getting those kills again. For slither, you have to just have brain rot on it. Yes, you can put ammo mods here on the knife. You don't have to get the kills alone with just brain rot, even though that will help you out a little bit. You just need brain rot to activate and then just go ham with that knife. This is probably going to be what takes you the longest out of all of these challenges. Moving on though, we do have the Pathfinder skin. This one you just have to get 100 kills with a field upgrade active. This could be any field upgrade, it doesn't really matter. I like the point turret personally, but you can really put anything down and that'll work. Just go ahead and get 100 kills while one is active. Honestly, I would do whatever the cheapest one is on there. For the Golden Dragon, you do have to get 10 kills rapidly 15 times. This is actually super easy to do, especially on something like insta-kill or even on those early rounds as well. Just train up those zombies, kill them as much as possible, and you'll knock this out. For Bloodstone, you do have to get the Golden Dragon camo on 2 melee weapons. That is a requirement before doing so. And then you just have to get 20 or more consecutive kills without taking damage 5 times. I'm not going to lie, this one is a little bit difficult just because you can't really get hit. But once again, insta-kill is an absolute lifesaver for this. You'll knock this one out pretty quickly with insta-kill. For Doomsteel, you are going to have to get 10 elite zombie kills. Not to mention, you do need to get Bloodstone camo on all 30 weapons before you even do that. This is the only one that I would say is, like a genuine struggle with the knife. It's not the worst thing in the entire world, and the strategy isn't too bad. You're going to want to play Ashwood all the way up until round 16. From there, that first Zersa is going to go ahead and spawn in. Go ahead and take out that Zersa, and then you can go ahead and just go into the fog. And every 2 minutes in the fog, you're going to have a new Zersa spawn in. Go ahead and take out that bear, essentially 10 times or 9 times in a row, meaning this should only take you max like 20 minutes. That is if you're playing it right. Obviously, things can happen, and being in that fog can definitely be dangerous, but that is overall the strat to knock this one out. And from here, you just have to go ahead and get Doomsteel on 30 weapons total in order to get Infestation. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.